Take time to review the full Standard 2, Teaching, Learning, and Assessments, using resources from Misty and Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 8 components. This analysis by Fairfax County organizes these components into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and grounds their work in the vision of the school and larger division for developing environments that promote learning. Whether you are currently an SBITS or are thinking about becoming one, consider how you currently promote the design and implementation of effective teaching and learning, whether in your own classroom or with others. What do you want to learn about instructional design models to improve teaching and learning? And how can you and your colleagues use technology to collect, review, and share a range of data, not just test data, to better understand the needs of students? Download the accompanying Module 2 companion document and use it to create your own goals for this module. What do you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet your goals? Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet those goals, and determine how you will know whether you have done so successfully. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use to address designing learning environments, incorporating proven instructional design strategies, and leveraging technology to support the use of a range of assessments and the data they generate. You may want to review these before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review all of the resources or complete all of the suggested activities. You determine which resources will help you reach your goals and be successful, understanding that these may include resources that are not listed.